Yes, the last days were really intense because I made a lot of preparations for the journey to Panama. For example, I prepared the mast steps because I need mast steps to climb up on the mast. I think this is really important if you have problems with the sail because it's not moving anymore, so you have to go up even if the wind is strong. And so I decided to make mast steps, and I think it's much more easy to make it here in Austria and not in Panama. And so I decided to do it here. And today I bought this 4 centimeter and 3 millimeter. It's just for a prototype, because the original one I will do with 4 centimeter and 4 millimeter. And now I will try to make a prototype, and then we will see if it's good or not. I already have finished my prototype and it looks like that. Some days later, a friend of mine produced the mast steps.
Diese Stangen jetzt zu 50 cm halbiert?
Nicht sie, Klaus, sei so lieb, mach Sit-ups und lass uns in Frieden bitte. Herzlich für die.
And he did it great. Thank you, by the way. Yeah, so we will for sure will not be here for 14 months. So we said we will make a party to say goodbye to our friends. And we sent them an invitation, and now 2 weeks before the party we said we have to do a reminder for them, and we make a short video, and this one I want to show you now. This is just a reminder!
For our legendary cocktail party! Dancing and partying!
Do it from now on! Yeah, the reactions on this video were really, really great, and it was big fun for all our friends. And so we decided to make another video, just a 1 week reminder. Check it out. Yeah, and now I want to show you some of my friends and the party, what we did and how great it was. And it was big time.
So now we do an interview. How do people think about our trip? Okay, the first person is Ina, a best friend of mine. Hey! What do you think about our trip for the sailing family? I think it's amazing what they do. Yeah! Yeah! Woo!
some days our new project, the Endless Summer Sailing Trip, will start, and the whole family will go to different places. And Vita, what will you do the next weeks?
Yeah, I will prepare for my exchange year.
So where will you go exactly in the United States?
I will go to Minnesota, specifically to Brainerd, in nearby Minneapolis.
Minneapolis, yeah.
Minneapolis. Yeah.
Cool. So what are your plans? And why do you do it?
Okay, my plans for the coming year is to learn the language, to make new friends, and to learn the culture from the US.
So you will join the high school there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do we get some video updates from you while you're staying in the United States?
Yes.
Yeah, so we will post some updates in our sailing family videos from Vita too. Yeah, quite nice. So I hope you have a great year, and so you will join us again in June, I think, June 2019 on the sailboat.
Yes.
So we will see where we are. Maybe we are at home in the Mediterranean Sea, or we are at the Pacific side. We will see. So it will be a great time to have you on the boat again.
Mm-hmm.
Today is a great day because Alina yesterday graduated in high school. So now she knows that she never has to go to school again.
Amazing.
And yeah, so it's big time for her. And now, what are your plans?
Well, at the 10th of September, I will leave to Australia and with one of my best friends, and I will spend time there. And then we will travel to New Zealand, and afterwards I travel or fly to my parents, and I will spend their time on the boat. Yeah.
Yeah, so what will you do in New Zealand or in Australia? What are your plans there? Do you want to work or want to surf, or what's your...
Yeah. I want to work or live in a family or make new experiences and have a great time there, and also learn maybe a little bit of surfing because it's very famous for Australia. So yeah, we will see. Travel around and
have a great time.
Have a great time.
That's cool. And so you will come to Tavarua again in February?
Yeah, around
February 2019. So we will be in somewhere at the Bahamas or at Turk and Caicos Islands in February. So this will be cool.
Yeah. I'm so excited!
Woo! The plan for the next month is to refit our sailboat first. In August I will sail with a friend of mine, he's called Sigi the Sharkman, to the San Blas Islands and afterwards to Colombia. After 3 weeks Sigi will have to fly home and Sue will join me on our trip in Colombia. In November we will sail to Aruba for kite surfing, and some weeks later we will sail to Puerto Rico, searching for waves for surfing and kite surfing. The next destination will be the Turk and Caicos Islands and the Bahamas. Afterwards we have to decide. If we have enough money and you like to see more of the sailing family, we will sail back to Panama to cross the canal to the Pacific. And our endless summer sailing trip will really get endless. If we have not enough money, we will have to cross the Atlantic back home to Europe. We will see what the future will bring. Both ways will get an awesome adventure.
Well, alright. I got the juice. You got the what? I got the juice. Okay. I got the juice. I got the juice. Okay. She getting loose.
I hope you enjoyed this video and we will see you soon in Panama. So subscribe to our channel, please support us on Patreon and see you next time. Peace, love, and follow your dreams.